Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful adventure of the seas. Now this particular category is a Spacious Ocean View. The one that we're in right now faces forward. They also have ones that face the side. Of course, you pick your exact stateroom almost always with Royal, unless you choose one of those guarantee categories, and then they'll choose for you. Now let me show you the room. On the back of the door, you're gonna have a do not disturb makeup room magnet. So you'll put this right outside your door at night or in the morning when you head on out. On the other side, you have the breakfast menu, so you can put that outside if you'd wanna have room service delivered at a certain time in the morning. Now you're gonna see here is where you have all of your closet storage. You've got hanging storage all the way across, shelves up and down. These do come down, so you have a little bit of extra hanging storage as well, and a little bit up above. Directly across from the closet, you'll find the bathroom. It's the identical bathroom that you're gonna find on all of the balconies and below in this ship. So right here, you've got your shower. I do appreciate that this closes and it's not a shower curtain. I actually do fit in here and can move around just a little bit. You've got your shower wand right there. You've got your body wash dispenser and then also 2 soap dishes as well. They've added those body wash dispensers to eliminate as many single-use plastics as they can. You've got all of your storage for the bathroom up and down here. I do like that you can tuck it away a little bit underneath, and you've got the toilet just behind me and the vanity in front of me. Now, as we head into the main living room area, I wanted to point out that this particular category, most of them hold up to 4, some are just 2. Once again, you can see that on the deck plans. On the ones that hold 4, this will slide out, so you have a double bed here in addition to the bed we'll show you in just a second. Up across from there, you're gonna find a writing desk that doubles as a vanity. So these do light up, as you can see. You have a little bit of storage on either side here behind the mirror. You have a Euro plug on one side, 2 US on the other. I always bring an extra adapter so I can take advantage of all the plugs in the room. You've got your hair dryer in the first drawer, storage up and down, a little bit of storage up here. You've got your safe right here, big enough for a passport and a wallet, not quite big enough for a laptop. You do have a TV that will angle so that you can move it and watch in bed as well. And then just below, you're gonna have your mini fridge. A little bit of extra storage tucked over there in the corner. And now let's head over to the main bed. Now this is together right now in one of those Royal King configurations. You can split them apart and they'll actually put the nightstands in the middle if you want to have 2 twin beds here in basically if you prefer that route. So in the nightstands, you're going to have a little bit of storage as well. You've got a lamp and a reading light so you don't disturb your partner while you're sleeping. Now this particular category is a little bit more spacious because of the angles of where it is on the ship. I do love this one because as you open this up, you can look directly out the front of the ship. You actually see the helicopter pad out in front of me, and then you see what you're sailing through in the front. Now it's a really unique option, and personally, I love it. Now when you're ready to book your next balcony or suite on Royal Caribbean, Silversea, or Celebrity Cruises, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Royal Caribbean Group, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, group, or family at an incredible value.